Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another boring day, but I don't mean that in a bearish sense. I don't mean it in a bad sense. Just in a sense of, sometimes the markets are boring. Sometimes when you're building an uptrend, the price has just got to consolidate, and that's what happened today. Just simply another sideways day. Let me squeeze this down, and you can see that from the grand scheme of things. Well, let me do it this way. Let's go through the boring periods. Well, there was a boring period. It just went sideways. Now, there was another boring period. Just went sideways. There's another boring period. Just went sideways. And then here is another boring period just going sideways. Now, I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but do you notice something about each of these boring periods? Well, do you notice how they keep getting higher and higher than the previous ones? That is how long-term uptrends are constructed. So yeah, there's no doubt about it. It's been boring, but that doesn't mean anything's wrong with it. It just means, hey, you know what? That's how the markets go. As nice as it would be, not, a price can't go straight up every single day. So from that angle of things, just understand that is the general context. It is still in an overall uptrend, just doing some consolidating. And really the levels that I talked about previously still 100% still pertain. You have the $13 mark down there as that main level of support. I guess kind of got tested today, this morning. I mean, the price never went down there exactly. But either way, I mean, the price bounced very nicely from that area. And then as far as areas of resistance, all eyes still going to be watching right up there around that $14.50 mark. But really, it's as simple as that right now. And it's kind of just a wait and see. The big question mark out there is who is ultimately going to win out. Are the bulls going to win out by getting the break up through there to continue on with the trend, or are the bears going to win out by pushing down to the downside of that channel? That all remains to be seen, but let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.